guys, today we're going to work with 3 types of xanthan gum. First, xanthan gum soft, xanthan gum clear, and xanthan gum regular. I want to see what, we're going to do 2 experiments, one at 1% and one at 2%, because I want to find the best gum that I want to use in my natural product brand. So here we go. Okay, so each of these beakers has 10 grams of glycerin. The first row is going to have 1% of xanthan gum. The second row is going to have 2% of xanthan gum. We're going to use xanthan gum soft from Lotion Crafter. This xanthan is supposed to give it a nicer consistency, so we'll test it out for ourselves. Now we're going to do 2%. And the easiest way to disperse your xanthan gum is in glycerin. It's much harder to disperse in water. So let's get this a little mixed, and then we're going to let it sit for 10-15 minutes. So let's let this sit. Now for xanthan gum clear, also from Lotion Crafter. I'm excited about this one because I want to make some shower gels that are clearer than the ones that I have now. So let's see how this works. This one is going to be 1 gram to 10 grams of glycerin to the T. Let's give this a little jiggle. Let's give this a little jiggle. Okay, that's 2%. And this is 1%. Let that sit for 10-15 minutes. Let it absorb completely. And now for the regular xanthan gum that you can get on Amazon, probably the stores or anywhere else. This is the 1%. And this is the 2%. Okay, we'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm already playing around with these. I did not wait the 10 minutes yet. It still needs to incorporate into each other because you could see chunks of the gum here sitting on a spoon. So it has not dissolved completely yet. This is the xanthan soft, xanthan clear, and the regular xanthan. It still needs to absorb in the glycerin, but just to look, you can see the color is darker. So I don't know if you can see, but this could use another 10-15 minutes sitting down to incorporate completely, but you get the gist. This is the xanthan gum soft, 1%. This is the xanthan gum soft, 2%. You still see some xanthan right there, sitting there. A lot thicker. Xanthan Gum Clear, 1%. Xanthan Gum Clear, 2%. This looks like it's incorporated much quicker than Xanthan Gum Soft. But if you look at the consistency, Xanthan Gum Soft compared to Xanthan Gum Clear, Soft is a little thicker. The color of the regular xanthan is a beige color, so of course that's going to affect the final look of your product too. I'd say the consistency is about the same really for almost all three. I'm sure this is a little thicker, just a little. When it gels up like this and is broken up like this, when you give it a good 24 hours, you really see the final result of the product. So this definitely makes a cloudy product, but let's see what it looks like in a few hours. So the xanthan soft on the skin really feels nice and soft. The clear doesn't feel bad, but you really get that nice softness from the xanthan gum. It feels better on the skin, so I'm sure it'll feel better on the hair. How does it feel? Is it sticky?
Not really, it's soft. I like this one better.
You like the clear better?
Yeah.
That's funny. I have one child that likes the soft better and one child that likes the clear better. And you both like the 3% or?
Yeah.
3%. It's not sticky. It's not slimy. a xanthan gum experience, and we figured out which two gums we really like. We love the soft and the clear, so we'll be using one for hair and one for body, and we know the ratio that we love also. Hope this experiment helped you to realize how the different xanthan gums act differently and look different also.